Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to fix Netflix household problem. So the first step is to, when prompted on your TV, select update Netflix household, select troubleshoot this TV, and then simply open the camera on your mobile device and point it at the TV screen to scan the QR code, then simply tap next. Make sure your mobile device is connected to your home Wi-Fi and then tap next. So that means that you need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. Then tap get code to generate a new QR code on your TV. Open the camera on your mobile device and point it at the TV screen to scan the QR code. And then once verified, select start watching to continue watching Netflix. And as you can see, if it's unsuccessful, make sure your mobile device is connected to the same internet as your TV and try again. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.